Ever thought about what would happen if you just copied and pasted content found on YouTube? No original footage, no narration, just reposting or remixing something already out there. Well, here's the outcome. In a span of 3 days, it's easily possible to acquire more than 29,000 subscribers and accumulate over 12 million views. See what happens in this case. A video that was posted only 1 day ago has already gained thousands of views with a great number of likes. And if you look at the average view length, it's obvious that people are indeed watching what they are viewing, no matter just clicking and bailing out. That's a very good indication that this kind of content is successful. This is likely one of the simplest YouTube niches to break into at the moment, particularly if you're having issues expanding or don't have time or equipment for regular videos. No voice, no face, simply content that works. Here's what it comes down to: learning the system and executing a process that works. This breakdown indicates precisely what was done from day 1 through day 3 in order to generate these types of results. So don't advance ahead. View the entire thing through in order to capture the whole strategy. Now, although this sample channel isn't yet monetized, it's already trending. Go into the Earn tab on YouTube Studio, and there are 2 conditions that must be satisfied in order for monetization via the YouTube Partner Program: 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 public watch hours in the previous 12 months or 10 million shorts views in the past 90 days. Check the numbers. Subscribers are already well. Views? The dashboard has around millions of views listed, but in real, the figure is well more than it appears. The system just takes a few more days to catch up. It's all going in the right direction. Now, the million-dollar question: can a channel like this even be monetized if it's reposting old content? The answer is yes, but there's a catch. Before diving into any niche, it's intelligent to do your research. There are plenty of channels utilizing this model and are already monetized by YouTube. That's proof that it works. Here's a quick example. Duplicate the URL of one of these similar channels, then proceed to YT Large or any reliable YouTube monetization checker. Insert the link, complete the CAPTCHA, and press enter. If the tool verifies the channel is monetized, that's your green light. Repeat the same check on a couple more channels in this niche, and most likely they'll have the same result: monetized. That's how you can tell it's a working strategy. Create a channel. So what do you do first? Begin by making a new channel. To create a unique channel name, go to QN, a trusted AI name generator, as DeepSeek tends to have server problems. Alternatively, you can use ChatGPT if you like. On QN, ensure Thinking QN Geo is chosen, and enter a basic prompt. After the tool analyzes the prompt, it will come back with about 50 name suggestions. Just scroll down and choose one that resonates with your theme. Design logo and banner. Next, design your channel logo and banner. Programs such as Canva make this an easy task, but use whatever image editing software you feel at ease using. Go to Canva and look up YouTube logo. Select from pre-made templates or start from scratch by clicking the empty canvas. Keep the style simple and attention-grabbing. For instance, look up top 5 in Elements, Photos, and select something that relates to your niche. Position the image, center it, and once satisfied, hit the Share button. Select PNG as the file type and click Download. Now for the banner, click the menu icon, choose Create a Design, then search for YouTube banner. Use a template or build one yourself. Keep the design clean, branded, and consistent with your logo. When finished, share and download just like before. Save both files to your device. YouTube channel creation. At this point, go to YouTube and create your new channel. The setup process is quick and straightforward, so there's no need to go into step-by-step detail here. You've probably done it before. Once your channel is live and visually ready, it's time to start uploading the right kind of content. And that's where the real magic happens, which is exactly what the next section will cover. No configuration is required to start. Simply create the channel, place the logo and banner, and make the channel look neat and presentable. For the description, something as simple as ranking content is more than sufficient. That's it. After preparation of the channel, do not touch it for 3 days, but continue to view videos on the same YouTube account. This minor hack appears to assist in warming up the channel in the YouTube system. It has worked each time and is definitely worth trying. Upload first video. Now, after the 3-day warm-up, it's time to post the first video. But don't anticipate perfection immediately. For instance, the first upload in this approach only drew about 9,000 views. Not bad, but hardly viral. Here's the secret. Consistency is paramount, particularly for shorts. 2 per day is the perfect upload rate, but doing it manually can be draining. Editing, cropping, formatting. After attempting to work with the first video from the ground up, it's obvious how much time and effort it requires. That's where automation software comes in. Among those, there's a particular tool that stands out. Originally employed for other niches, as it turns out, Clippie AI also includes a feature ideal for this kind of content: discovering videos to use. Before diving into the tool, step 1 is discovering videos to utilize. Identify what type of content the channel will concentrate on. Suppose it is going to be top 5 baby moments. Having a niche in mind, visit TikTok or Facebook and search for possible clips. TikTok will be utilized as an example in this case. Look for something like funny babies and browse the results. Select clips that are indeed interesting, not merely anything and everything. When a decent clip is discovered, click on it and copy the link. Then go to Google and search for a TikTok downloader. There are numerous websites that can download the video directly with the copied link. Do this step repeatedly to gather 5 good clips. With all 5 clips downloaded, time now to tie everything up together with Clippie AI. Open the tool by clicking on the first link in the video description. For newcomers, signing up is simple and complimentary. Once signed in, the dashboard will be visible. Choose the feature named Top 5 Video. This is the tool that does all the work. This is necessary because uploading several videos initially establishes a solid base. If the person discovers the channel and likes a video, they will most likely check what else they have. Having more videos present, they may watch longer, which translates into higher overall watch time. More watch time translates into higher odds of being promoted by YouTube's algorithm. That results in more views, subscribers, and ultimately monetization. Conversely, if there are only a few or even a single video or 2, the audience may leave and not remember to come back. So before going all out with the channel, it's a good idea to have 5 to 10 videos in advance. This makes binge watching happen and has viewers stay longer. Clippie AI. Within the Clippie AI tool, click on the Top 5 Video tab and start uploading the 5 stored clips. Click Open, and they'll start uploading. After all clips have been added, click Next to proceed. There's a Style Options area that allows you to customize the looks. Change the text style, size, and color to match the brand. There's also a toggle of a blurred background. It makes the titles pop out if that effect works with the theme. It's optional and can be disabled if a clean look is desired. Put a video topic into the given box, e.g., Top 5 Funniest Baby Sleeping Moments. Then, move the clips around if necessary using the drag and drop option. It's incredibly easy and intuitive. Now is the turn of the most crucial step: assigning every clip a creative title. This enhances engagement and watch time. A good technique is to title questions. Instead of describing acrobatic sleeping, say, "What would you call this type of sleep?" Questions bring curiosity and stimulate comments, and that is an engagement booster. That said, it's not necessary to use a question for every single title. Just stay creative and vary the approach. Once all the clips are titled and everything looks right, hit the export button. Name the file and click Render. After it's processed, download the video directly to the device, and that's it. Another video is ready to post. You can now simply upload the video on the YouTube channel we generated for this type of content. Once uploaded, you will have to wait for a while to let the system function. As I said earlier, consistency is the key. Your first video might not get you enough views, but it might gain traction with time. So keep on uploading and don't lose hope. Within a week or 2, your videos will gain the exact views you want. Let's say thousands, millions, and more. And the best part? Most of the videos are reposted, which means no recording, no voiceover, just results. And that's the real game. This brings us to the end of the video. If this analysis is valuable so far, be certain to thumbs up this video and subscribe. The second half will dive even further into creating momentum, uploading automation, and large-scale results quickly.